Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the new timeline layout in the Eventful plugin and learn how to create beautiful timeline-based event displays for WordPress. First, go to the Eventful menu from your WordPress dashboard. Then click on Add New Layout. At the top, enter a name for your layout. For this example, I'll name it Timeline Layout. Next, go to the Layout Presets section. From the available layouts, select Timeline. Now scroll down to the Timeline Controls tab. Here you can customize the appearance and behavior of your timeline layout. You will see the month/year separator option. When enabled, Eventful will automatically display month and year labels between event groups on the timeline. This helps visitors browse events more clearly in chronological order. Below that, you'll find the Timeline Colors section. Here you can customize several important timeline design elements. The Date Badge color option controls the background color of the month and year badge displayed on the timeline. Next is Timeline Line Thickness. This setting controls the width of the vertical timeline line. You can increase or decrease the thickness depending on your design preference. Then you'll see the Timeline Line color option. This changes the color of the line connecting all events together. You can easily match it with your website branding. Finally, the Event.color setting controls the color of the small circular markers displayed beside each event. These markers visually connect events to the timeline structure. As you change these settings, the live preview updates automatically so you can instantly see the results. You can also customize other Eventful settings such as event thumbnails, event title styling, event meta information, typography, filtering options, detail page settings, just like other Eventful layouts. Once your design is ready, click on Publish. After publishing, Eventful will generate a shortcode. Copy the shortcode and paste it anywhere on your website, including pages, posts, or widget areas. Now, when you visit the front end, your events will appear in a beautiful timeline layout, and that's how easily you can create a timeline layout using Eventful. Thank you for watching.